Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies globally today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2024, our system has identified Google as a recommended buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.04. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, showing a decline of 0.1% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.03% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $164.08 may initially indicate a slower rate of decline, potentially signaling the first signs of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately negative 17.71% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 27.37% to negative 17.20%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.78% over the next 12 months, with an expected return between 22.43% and 63.91%. This translates to a price range of $199.64 to $267.29 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Monday trading session. The price of Google stock declined by 0.95% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, falling from $164.64 to $163.07. During that trading day, the stock saw fluctuations of 2.24%, ranging from a low of $162.96 to a high of $166.61. Remarkably, the price has increased in 9 of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 9.05% over the past 2 weeks. Although the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, this is considered a positive indicator, as volume typically should follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 29 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.46 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $193.30, while the lowest price was $121.46. Currently, the stock price stands at 15.64%, or $30.23, below the 52-week high, and 93.55%, or $2,363.92, below the all-time high recorded on June 11, 2021, when it peaked at $2,526.99. Recent developments around Alphabet, also known as Google, present a mixed bag for investors. As of the end of last week, Alphabet's stock closed at $164.64, rising nearly 4% over the past week. This highlights a year-to-date increase approaching 18%. However, the landscape is becoming more competitive, particularly in the artificial intelligence and digital advertising sectors. Analysts note that Microsoft's lead in artificial intelligence is narrowing, with both Amazon and Google striving to catch up. This could reshape market dynamics, potentially boosting investor confidence in Alphabet if they successfully innovate and compete. Moreover, regulatory pressures remain a concern. The European Union is poised to warn Google about its search practices, threatening fines that could reach 10% of annual revenue if compliance is not achieved. This regulatory scrutiny could weigh on the stock price in the short term, creating uncertainty for investors. Additionally, new entrants, like the artificial intelligence search startup Perplexity, are challenging Google's dominance in digital ads. If these competitors gain traction, it could further impact Alphabet's advertising revenues, which are a major driver of its profitability. In the long term, Alphabet's significant investments in artificial intelligence technology continue to position it as a key player. As the company develops its artificial intelligence capabilities, there is potential for robust growth, appealing to investors seeking to capitalize on the increasing demand for artificial intelligence solutions. Overall, while short-term pressures are evident, Alphabet's long-term prospects depend on successfully navigating competition and regulatory challenges in the evolving tech landscape. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned Google a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Google an outperform rating, also with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 10th of July, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company again gave Google a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 8th of July, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Google a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. The Google stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During potential downward corrections, support can be expected at $161.34 and $161.71. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, September 9th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 9.05%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is important to mention that some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 44 days ago. Now, if we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 29 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at 160.64, which may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as moderate. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 3.64 between its high and low, representing a 2.24% change. During the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 1.46%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This P/E ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in companies with established track records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts are forecasting an earnings estimate of $1.83 per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's examine some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google stands at $164.64. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an investment. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $160.64. If this support level remains intact, it might serve as an appealing entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Google, based on various analyst sources, is to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 17th of June, 2024, when R. Martin Chavez executed an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. We recommend setting the stop loss at $156.81, which represents a decline of 3.84%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 52 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook. Although the stock has been in a downward trend, we believe that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and activity from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate Google will open up by $1.14, beginning trading at $164.21. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.